How much do new gutters cost in Lancaster, PA? I'm John with Joyland Roofing, and today we're going to break down the real costs of gutter replacement, from simple repairs to full copper gutter systems, so you can get a budget with total confidence for your gutter. Most homes in our area use K-style seamless aluminum gutters. Now, for a standard 2,000 square foot house with a 5-inch gutter system, you're probably looking around $2,500 to $3,500. That can go up to $8,500 for a larger house with a lot of angles. Now, people often wonder, should I get 5-inch or 6-inch gutters? I put 6-inch gutters on my house because I have a metal roof. Rainwater comes off a metal roof a lot faster than a shingle roof, so I wanted that extra width to catch the water as it shoots off the edge of the roof. Most shingle roof homes around here are perfectly fine with 5-inch gutters, but if you have a relatively large section of roof coming into a small gutter area, then you'll definitely want to go with a 6-inch to better handle that water volume coming off the roof. Now, these 6-inch gutters will be a bit more expensive than 5-inch, but not by much. You're looking at around probably $3,000 for starters on a simple house, and maybe up to $9,000 for a larger, complex house with a lot of angles. Half-round gutters are what you want if you have a historic style house or one with a slate or cedar roof. Aluminum versions might start around $6,000, while a full copper gutter system will be around $8,000 for a smaller house, and up to even $25,000 or $30,000 for a large house with many angles. Not cheap, but they do look really sweet and they last a lifetime. Now, to keep your gutters working, you have to keep them clean. Gutter guards range from probably $12 a foot for a good basic product up to maybe $18 to $20 a foot for a better product that keeps things like pine needles and smaller stuff out of the gutters. If you're not ready for a full gutter replacement, minor fixes like rehanging a sagging section of gutter or sealing a persistent leak usually fall between $300 to $900. Now, sometimes a sagging gutter is actually an indicator of a larger issue where you might have rotten baseboards behind the gutter, and so sometimes we come out to fix a sagging gutter only to find out that the baseboards behind the gutter have to be fixed before the gutter itself can be taken care of. Now, here at Joyland, we believe in making things last as long as they should. We're great at gutter repairs and replacement, and can help you decide what's needed with an inspection before you spend a dime. So contact us and let's get your gutters some help.